Let me describe a moment you might recognize. You signed off the Microsoft Copilot licenses. The training was booked, the sessions ran, and the feedback was glowing. For a week or two, everyone was trying it. And then, quietly, the usage curve bent downward, and it never really came back up. Here is the figure that should keep you up at night. Across organizations, only about a third of the people who have Copilot actually use it. The other two-thirds sit there, licensed and paid for, doing nothing. You are not buying software anymore. You are renting a very expensive reminder that most of your people have stopped opening it. Now, the instinct is to find someone to blame. Maybe the tool is overhyped. Maybe your people are resistant or simply too busy. Maybe you overspent. But here is what makes this uncomfortable. The tool genuinely works. The licenses are genuinely paid, and your people are not lazy. Every obvious culprit is wrong, which means the real problem is hiding somewhere you have not looked. So let me show you where it hides. Almost all Copilot training teaches people how to use it. The buttons, the prompts, the features. Almost none of it teaches them what to use it for in their actual role. And those are entirely different things. How is a feature tour? What for is a judgment call? And judgment is the one thing the tool cannot supply. Teach only the how, and you have quietly assumed the machine will work out the what for on its own. It never does. That part was always your people's to bring. And this is the part that should give you hope, because it means the gap is yours to close. The firms that get this right prove it. Where the industry average limps along at 20 to 30% usage, companies that trained their people on what to use Copilot for reached well past 90. Same tool, same licenses. The only difference was the approach. This was never a technology failure. It was a training design that answered the wrong question and that you can fix. So before you renew another license or write the whole thing off, ask one question. Did we teach our people what to use this for? If the honest answer is no, that is not a loss. It is the opportunity sitting right in front of you. If you would like, I will come and run this with your teams. We will take the licenses you are already paying for and turn them into real, role-specific work your people actually want to do. Let us turn a stalled rollout into the return you were promised.